Hello everyone, welcome back to Kikiar YouTube channel. Today, I am dressing up a maxi dress. It's been a while to showing you guys this long dress, except live streams. Yeah, I was wearing this long dress and also some other long dress on live stream as I remember. So yeah, it's just something like a refresh. Before we get into that, please like this video and subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet. And also if you want to see me in a spicier, more fun content, please check out my membership site link. You can find it in description box below there. So please check it out. Thank you. So let's just get into today's long maxi dress with this split, yes, with this split and lovely pantyhose that I which is gifted from my fan Jonathan. It's a Calz. So this brand is Calzitaly. Calzitaly. Yes, Calzitaly. And it's gifted from my fan. Thank you very much for the support. So the reason I'm wearing a floral long maxi dress on this YouTube video is because before this summer end, I want to show you guys my cute summer dress. So I have to wear this one by one on each video. Oh, it's taped. It's taped tight, so I have to open it up. I don't want to mess with this package. I never even tried this Calzitaly before. Have I? How about you guys? Made in Italy, of course. And then this is a black sheer pantyhose. There's just some letters on the plastic bag. Let's see. Oh, that feels very sturdy, very firm. That doesn't mean it's not soft, but it's not very soft, yeah, to be honest. But it's very sturdy, which means I'm pretty excited they will last long. Okay, heel and toe shape, and this is reinforced toe, but almost invisible reinforced toe. And the texture is okay. It feels like more than 20 denier. Never mind, elegant collant 20 denier, but it's somehow feel a little sturdy, firm, bigger than 20 denier. And waistband, it's wow, this big. It's big. It's wide. It is wide. So it's gotta be very comfortable and very snuggle on my big belly here. I'm excited. So even though I said it's not very soft, well, who knows? We have to try, we have to figure it out in real on my legs. Let's try this on. I understand why I felt it's less soft than other 20 denier. It's because the texture compared to some high-end brands is somehow thick. Yes, it feels thick. If I don't see that package, if it is just blind test, I would say this is like a 30 or 40 denier. Yeah. Oh wow. As I said, this big wide waistband is just like, it doesn't snug on my belly. I thought it was snug on my belly, very comfortable, but it actually have a compression, slightly, some pressure on my belly. So it just makes my belly intense. So it makes my belly get, tension. So I'm gonna be like, probably I look skinnier in these pantyhose, I hope. Well, if I don't look skinnier with these compressions or some like something strong in my belly, this is not fair because I have to take some risk. Should I say a risk? So I have to take some things on my belly, but if I don't look skinnier, that doesn't work. This is not how it works, right? I brought these trim pairs high heel. I love this one so much. But wait, I wanna make this seam underneath my toe. When I'm wearing high heel, I don't like to have that seams all over my toes, I always like to hide this. Cool. So, what do you think, guys? With this very summery floral long maxi dress with 20 denier, even though it doesn't feel like 20 denier, 20 denier sheer, Calzitaly new brand Collant. Well, it also has good things about this kind of thicker feeling pantyhose. It lasts long, and you can be a little bit reckless like me. You don't have to be always too careful. You can be just something messy around with this pantyhose. It's okay, it will last long. So yeah, I already got some snags, sadly. But once again, it will last long, so doesn't matter, I think. It's fun to try this slightly compressions, big belly pantyhose with very firm, sturdy fiber fabric pantyhose with long maxi summer dress. And one of my favorite high heel. You let me know if you have tried this brand, what you think and how I look in this pantyhose. You let me know in comments. Thank you for watching my video today. I hope you guys have a nice day, have a good night, and please check out my membership site for exclusive content. Bye everyone. Bye bye.